Hi guys, today I'm going to be making hand sanitizing hand gel. You'll need aloe vera gel, 99% of alcohol, I can't say the long word here, and this is optional. Lavender smell. You'll also need an adult to help you. Make sure you're wearing gloves as well. First of all, I'm going to be taking 2 cups of isopropanol alcohol, 99%, and I'm going to put it in here and put it in there.
Hold on. Mm-hmm.
Now I'm going to take 1 cup of the gel. Okay, now I'm going to pour it in.
Let me empty that way.
Now I'm going to mix it.
Yep. Should we add this?
So then put the lavender oil in the gel. Just a few drops. Make sure it mixes well. Now it's almost done. Ask an adult to help you pour it into the bottle. It's gonna overflow. Now we're going to test it.
Let me see some.
No.
Now you're germ free. You can carry this wherever you go, but make sure when you're at home you wash your hands with water and soap. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.